Hello, my name is Seong Park and I am from Seoultech ITM. Today I'm going to talk about my project Data-Driven ADU Construction Shopping Platform. House. Everyone has probably dreamed of escaping the stuffed city and living in harmony with nature. However, the process of accomplishing dream of building a happy house was far from the present. Due to the complicated and many stakeholders, there is a saying, if you build, you'll be 10 years older. And because of the high cost, people also say you could buy an apartment in Gyeonggi province with that money. Additionally, due to the low reliability in the construction market, there's a saying that construction companies are all run by fools. In this situation, modular houses and farmhouses are gaining popularity by addressing their customer pain points. They simplify the process, minimize stakeholders, and reduce cost burdens, and allow for price scouting. Nevertheless, the customer pain points are not completely over. They still worry about questions like, can I start within my budget? Is this a rational purchase? And what kind of house should I live in? Ultimately, these questions come down to upgrade cost. To address this, I suggest that minimizing information asymmetry in the construction market through online price predictions. This platform includes the following features. First, estimating total construction cost, and second, recommending ADUs that fit in within the budget, and third, offering various services to help adapt to rural life. In the traditional construction process, concluding a contract takes a long time and there was much for the house owner to worry about. So I made this inconvenience more convenient by reducing time and complexity through the intervention of the platform called Umji. The overall architecture is as follows. User and companies interact with the platform and receive various benefits. And an AI model developed in-house using ADU data and construction method is linked to the platform. And in the frontend, I use React, and for backend, I use Node and Nginx. And for data, I use AWS S3 and HDSQL. And also, I use Sklearn library for the machine learning. First, let me show you the model analysis. I used one target variable y with price and 25 variables x and 165 data points. This helped us understand what companies and customers value in a house. For example, company determined the price with the unit price per 평, which means 3.3 square meters for real world. And people prioritize building area and number of rooms, bathroom when choosing a house. Additionally, in farmhouse hut unique to Korea, the presence of an attic and the primary materials of the house significantly impacted the price. Looking at the model performance, I tried different approaches according to the type of the house, like farmhouse and shelter, and I adopted gradient boosting, which showed good results for overall. With this model, users can input their available capital, desired area, and number of rooms and bathrooms, then click a button to check if the conditions are appropriate. Then you can get specifications for reasonable house and quickly filter and search for houses that meet their criteria. Next, I simulate the complex contracting stages from the existing process to the start of construction, presenting the result of a process simplified through the platform's intervention. So in process improvement, the time investment required by customers in an architecture office, which used to take about two weeks, was replaced by the platform intervention. This also achieved marketing results for the same cost, leading to a 92% increase in provisional contracts and 29% increase in main contracts. I've also been able to cut in half the time spent with the customers. Finally, I'll conclude by showing a demo video that provides an overview of the platform. When looking at the platform through Google Translation, there was no errors or data values were not changed. So I replaced some of them with the Korean version that works normally. First, let me use Google Translation for easily understand. And you can log in with the registered account. And this is the main page of the platform. In this page, you can see many houses and applied categories or filtering. And in community space, you can write an article. And see the post. You can also add the comments and click like button. In Users My Page, you can add products or revise existing information. For example, now the price is 82, so we're gonna change it to 88. We can check the price is changed, and you can find reasonable house specifications, and auto filtering is applied in the given conditions. And you can see the house photos and many information. And you can also inquiries about that house. Next, you can check total construction cost with house or rent conditions. So the total price is changed. And submit the inquiry. Then you can check the inquiry in the database. Thank you for listening.